When it comes to a business owner or a property owner deciding whether or not to hire an attorney to review a contract, possibly suggest alternative language, our motto here at Purdy & Bailey is that preventive maintenance always beats crisis management. It's the old "you can pay me now or pay me later" saying. And here I think I've always felt that it makes good sense for a business owner, for a property owner, to get advice up front going into a transaction so that they know what milestones they should be looking for, what issues they should be looking for. For example, if you have a business that you are thinking about selling or a business that you are thinking about buying, issues that oftentimes come up concern covenants not to compete, the enforceability of such covenants, the reasonableness of such covenants, the importance of such covenants to the deal. Obviously, if you buy a business from someone, you don't want that person starting a competing business down the road. It's very important to keep an eye on that. It's also important to get a very good handle on what exactly you are acquiring when you buy a business. What assets really and truly are included. Similarly, if you're buying or selling a business, it's always important to make a decision up front as to whether or not it makes sense to purchase shares of stock or assets. For example, if you are contemplating purchasing a small business that is a corporation, does it make sense to buy all of the outstanding shares of that corporation and hence essentially purchase the corporation? Or does it make sense to purchase the assets of that corporation? Oftentimes, the latter is the case because you can essentially get a step up in basis from the standpoint of depreciated assets, and you also are not stuck with potential liabilities that corporation may have that nobody knows about yet.
For more information about business law in San Diego, go to purdybailey.com.